Laundry day today. Laundry day today. Laundry day today. Laundry day today. Time to do. Oh my god, I'm dizzy. Time to do my chores. Time to like my Popeye shirt. Time to do my chores. Time to do my chores. Time to do my chores. Hello, fam. Welcome back to Yarn Gals. It's a wonderful day. It's a Sunday. And you know what that means? Can you guess? I'll give you 3 guesses today. Yes, that's right. It is a reset Sunday. Sunday reset. Whatever you want to call it. I have the laundry in the laundry washer. Thank you. The washer. And I would be remiss if I didn't tell you that today is Coffee Bear's birthday. Yay! And she's got a little coffee pot, a little coffee cup present there, her little stuffed animal coffee cup. She is over the moon. And I don't know. I also went to Target today, the lovely Target. Yes, the lovely Target, as they say. I got some things. But there's one thing I cannot show you because Amy, this thing's for Amy and it's her birthday present, so I will not show you because she also does this channel. So yes, it's a joint channel between me and her, with me and her. So I will not show her present because I know she sees this channel because it's hers. This channel is hers too. So I will just show you things I got for myself. Starting with this lovely frog. Where are you doing? Where, dear? This lovely frog. He's here to catch the little fruit flies that are in my kitchen. I won't show you, but I had to do dishes. It's not terribly gross, just whatever. And I need to sweep the floor, organize my table, deal with this stuff, deal with this stuff on the floor. Oh, yep, and oops, I may have accidentally showed you her present. Well, anyway, it's unclear. I also got these hair ties because I am only coasting on one hair tie at the moment. The one that's in my hair, pulling back my hair into a luscious bun. I need to deal with the DVDs. I need to deal with this. I need to deal with this. I need to put the bears to bed and the goat to bed. Isn't that right, my daughter? So, that needs to get done. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to do. A lot to do. A lot to do. So, in order for me to do it, I have to start doing it. Okay. This is taken care of. Oh, you wanted me to show you my thing. You want me to show you me doing said chores. Why would you want me to do that? It's so boring. I took my chain that I got for to remember my mom and my dad. I put it as a necklace. It works perfectly. I love it. But if you can say no. But first, coffee. Cheers. Yes, let's get this show on the road. Alright. Caffeine consumed. Let's put that in the fridge. So I know it's still okay. I also need to make a grocery list. Yes, I am almost, kind of, not really, but almost, I need to replenish a few things, but not today, probably not today, so don't hold me to it. But let's get out the broom. So, I'm a woman of my word. And sweep. I should be sweeping the other way. Because, you know, when you own your own place, your mama ain't there to clean up after you. Yes, it's all on you. Your own house, you have to do your own cleaning. Adulthood. Adulting. Say yes, kids. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Oh, before you ask, yes, we do have something to celebrate. Coffee Bear's birthday. It's lovely non-dairy. Ben Jerry's. But tonight, no. Non-dairy? Because Coffee Bear specifically asked for non-dairy ice cream. It's like she didn't know we were doing this. I assume she did not dairy because she's a YouTuber, at least, you know, yeah. How is my bear a YouTuber? In the bear world, I guess, doing YouTube in the bear world. Do bears even do YouTube? I've been told they do. As long as they're gonna have teddy bear picnics, they might as well have teddy bear YouTube to watch when they're having their teddy bear picnics. That is the thing, I think. Isn't that right, dear? Oh, yeah. So there you go, we have it. Oh. Alright. I didn't sweep the whole floor. I'll get to that in a minute. Let me just do what my dishes. I have my lovely tripod. You don't really need a tripod if you're starting off this channel, your channel. Just do with what you got. Unless you're going pro off the bat, then yes, you will need all the necessary sorry, equipment. I love this. Well, this is going perfectly well. Well, I never said I wasn't going to be real, right? This is the real me, the real now, the real thing. This is real, folks. This is real. This is the real video. I think I ought to be more, I guess, realistic, more down to earth in my videos going forward. But yeah, okay, well, with that, I think I'm going to wash my dishes. As I was going to end the show, but not really, not now. We still have things we need to do. So if you're gonna clean your house or your apartment or do your chores at your mama's house, go ahead. Parents' house, go ahead and do chores with me. Because, honey, everybody's got to do chores. That's the thing. Alright, let's just do this. Let's get this. Why is my calendar on the stack of paper towels? Oh, this is ridiculous. Close up on my elbow. Have fun. Oh yeah, I like to sing. Do you like my singing voice? Thank you, I do too. Thank you. I appreciate that compliment. You're a real one if you said yes. You're a real one. You're a true one. Girl, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's lovely. What a lovely show I put on. What a lovely show me and Amy put on. What a lovely show we have. I need to clean this knife this morning. I need to get my hair together. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to say what I'm thinking right now because it's not healthy for me to say right now. But I thought. About my future. I thought about this, I thought about that. I'm sorry. I'm really scared myself, baby. I'm scared myself. But we don't need to scare ourselves. No, we do not. We don't need to scare ourselves. It's not necessary. Not only yet. Some of us want to believe it's Halloween. Oh, by the way, you celebrate Christmas in July. That's coming up soon, so happy Christmas in July. I don't believe I'm going to pull out the big Christmas tree in July. 25th of July. And you best believe I'll be pulling out the big Christmas tree in December. I'll say I mean after Halloween. I mean right after Halloween, yes. Yes, well, yes. Christmas doesn't officially start until after Halloween. Then after trick-or-treat. Once the trick-or-treaters go by and they're done and they're off to bed. Then we put up the Christmas tree and start playing the Christmas music. Oh, you think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? Oh, ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha. Well, that's interesting. Okay, okay. Whatever you say, okay. All right. That's not a good thing to do. My neighbors will get mad. Well, what is this? Corral. Dish made in the USA. Okay. It's at 13 minutes. I am done. I'm almost done doing my dishes. I'm going to do some of my chores. So you believe me that I'm doing some of my chores. I cannot document all my chores. And that would be very boring. I don't think I have that much material for it. I mean, yes I do, but I don't, I'm sure I can think of other very silly things to say while I'm doing my chores. Alright, I think that is, let me put this bowl away. Alright, I think that's it. I think that's all I'm going to do for today in terms of this video. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Oh, come back here. Sorry. There we go. Cookie fortunes are off the fridge. Alright, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a restful Sunday and a lovely week ahead. Take care. Stay hydrated. Stay safe. Remember, you're beautiful, special, and amazing, and one of a kind. Don't ever forget that. You're wonderful. And yeah, take care. Alright. Yarn Gals out. Alright, bye. Love you. Bye.